A very good morning to everyone. See, we have started our chapter number 1, that is mole concept, and till here we have done with the introduction part of this mole concept. What is mole? It is nothing but just a kind of quantity, and that quantity is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. We have done with that, and how we can calculate the moles, that we have done. Today our topic is atomic mass. It is denoted by A. So what is atomic mass? So atomic mass is nothing but when you are having 1 mole atom. When you are having 1 mole atom. So this 1 mole atom, उसका जो mass होता है, mass of 1 mole atom is known as atomic mass. Clear? एक मोल एटम का मास जो होता है दैट इज नोन एज एटॉमिक मास, राइट? सो व्हाट इज ग्राम एटॉमिक मास? दैट इज ग्राम एटॉमिक मास इज व्हिच इज एक्सप्रेस्ड इन ग्राम. हम उसको किस में एक्सप्रेस करते हैं? ग्राम में. सपोज यू आर हैविंग एनी ऑफ द सब्सटेंस, लेट अस से हाइड्रोजन, देन ग्राम एटॉमिक मास ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज 1 gram. Same if you talk about aluminium, it is having 27 gram. When you say about sulfur, it is 32 gram. So gram atomic mass is expressed in gram. Clear? So weight of any one atom of any of the element, weight of one atom is atomic mass unit. So you can say weight of one atom of any element, कोई भी element का एक atom का जो mass होता है, that is your atomic mass unit, and you can express it as AMU, right? Now number of gram atom, or you can say moles, number of gram atom, or what you can say it as moles, number of moles, you can say that moles of atom. So number of gram atom or moles, if you want to find the mole of any of the compound, the formula is given mass, whatever the mass is given for that particular compound or element, upon its molar mass, or you can say gram atomic mass. You can say gram atomic mass. Clear? Now number of atoms, if you want to calculate number of atoms. So what is number of atoms? If you want to calculate number of atoms, then it is nothing but number of gram atoms into Avogadro number, that is your 1 mole, 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Clear? तो इस तरह से हम एटम्स को भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. इफ़ यू वांट टू कैलकुलेट नंबर ऑफ एटम्स, देन नंबर ऑफ ग्राम एटम्स इनटू Na will give you the number of atom. Let us take an example. By solving some question you will come to know, it will be more clear to you. If I am having a question that calculate number of atoms and gram atom, number of atom and gram atom in let's say 140 gram of you can say calcium, 140 gram of calcium. So how you can calculate number of atom and number of gram atom? First of all we'll calculate number of gram atom. So number of gram atom, formula क्या होगी number of gram atom की? That is, yes, it is moles. It will be mass, given mass. So what is the given mass? It is 140 gram upon gram atomic mass, or you can say molar mass. What is the molar mass of calcium? Correct, it is 40. Now you can take a simple ratio, that is 3.5. You are getting number of gram atom, that is 3.5. Now you need to find number of atom. अगर हमें किसी का भी नंबर ऑफ एटम, इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड नंबर ऑफ एटम, जस्ट multiply the moles to the Avogadro number, or you can say gram atom into Avogadro number. So number of gram atom obtained over here is 3.5 into Na, that is Avogadro number. So 3.5 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So this much will be your number of atom. Clear? If you want to take some more example, let us take one more example, that is calculate number of gram atom, same number of gram atom and number of atoms in 5 milligram, let us say we are having milligram, 5 milligram of hydrogen and 20 kg of neon. हमारे पास दिया हुआ है mass of hydrogen is 5 milligram and mass of neon is 20 gram. We are always calculating in gram. So if you are having any of the unit given like milligram or kg, you just need to convert it into gram. So let us talk about this. We are having 5 milligram of hydrogen and secondly we are having 20 kg of neon, right? ये हमारे पास है. Now if I want to find for 5 milligram of hydrogen, so first of all I will find number of gram atom, or you can say moles. So what is number of gram atom? Mass upon molar mass. Your mass is given 5 milligram. So what is 5 milligram? Yes, 5 milligram is 10 to the power minus 3 gram. Okay, 1 milligram is 10 to the power minus 3, right? So 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 milligram. Now we are converted into gram upon ग्राम एटॉमिक मास. ग्राम एटॉमिक मास मतलब मोलर मास. तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही हाइड्रोजन दिया है, तो मोलर मास ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज 1. So you got that 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 gram. This is your number of gram atom. Clear? This is your number of gram atom. And if you want to find the number of atoms, so just multiply it with Avogadro number. So number of atoms is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 into Na. Now substitute the value of Na and you will get number of atoms. In the same manner, when we talk about neon, we are having 20 kg of neon. Again, what we need to find? Number of gram atom, that is mole. Mole is mass upon molar mass. What is the mass of neon? 20 kg, but we need to convert into gram. तो क्या हो जाएगा? 10 to the power 3 ग्राम, है ना? 1 kg में 1000 ग्राम्स होते. So 20 into 10 to the power 3 upon mass of neon. Mass of neon is 20 kg. Extremely sorry. This is 20 into 10 to the power 3. Now gram atomic mass of neon. Gram atomic mass of neon क्या हो जाता है? Neon का mass is 20. Now you will get 10 to the power 3. This is your moles. If you find number of atom, कितने atoms होंगे? Then multiply this into your Avogadro number. What we did is 20 kg, no? Okay, fine. So this is your 20 kg upon kg we have converted into 10 to the power 3, right? And 20 is your molar mass. Number of atom 10 to the power 3 into Na. Now substitute the value of Na, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So today we have done with this atomic mass and what is gram atomic mass. In the later you will come to know about different numericals and different definitions, and we will learn about molecularity, molecular mass, gram molecular mass in the next lecture. Till that, go through the lecture. Thank you.